Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. For the past month, my engine light was on and it's throwing me EVAP leak code. It's P0456 and P0455. I replaced the gas cap, but after a week, the engine light came back with the same code. And also every time I fill up my gas, after a minute or two of driving, the vehicle stalls and I had to give a good amount of revs to prevent it from stalling. I also replaced my gas cap, but after a week the engine light came back. So today I'm going to replace the purge valve. Here it is. I bought it from Amazon for 60 bucks. I will leave the link at the description box down below. Okay, let's start. For this installation, you just need a flathead screwdriver. Remove the air filter box for you to have a clear path when installing the new purge valve. Unhook both clips of the air filter box and remove the air filter and put it on the side. Slightly wiggle and pull out the other half of the air box. This is the purge valve that we're going to replace, and on the connector there's that orange thingy. It's a lock mechanism. You have to press that one to release it. Okay. Once unlocked, use the flathead screwdriver to pry and remove the wiring harness. Pull the canister out gently by sliding it off. Remove the two hoses from the canister. Pull it gently. The one that I bought from Amazon is identical to the OEM. It's a Dorman brand. Install the new purge valve canister. Put the hoses back. Slide the canister on the bracket to where it was. Reconnect the wiring harness to the purge valve and press the locking mechanism to keep it in place.